Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this tutorial, you learn about the application of the part design dress-up tool called Draft. You also learn the several ways to invoke this tool. This part design tool is called Draft. The Part Design Draft tool creates angular draft on the selected faces of an object. Here you find the several ways to invoke the Part Design Draft tool and the steps to create the draft on selected faces. Set the draft parameters in Task Panel. In this part of presentation, you find the definitions of the draft parameters. In the following examples, I will show you these options and the application of the Part Design Draft tool in different ways. As you see here, I have three similar 3D models. Activate the first model and hide the others. Press directly the Draft tool or use the second option from Part Design menu. Select the neutral plane means the face, the pull direction means the edge, and at the end select the faces. Press the OK button to finish. Hide the first model and unhide and activate the second model. Press, again directly the Draft tool. The procedure is the same as the first example. Double-click to edit the draft. Now, we apply the option Reverse Pull Direction. The draft changed to outwards. Add fillet to the bottom face and to the edges. Set the fillet radius. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. In this example, I will show you the application of the Part Design Draft tool on a single face. Activate the third model. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD Part Design tools. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.